What if I told you that one of the smallest creatures in the animal kingdom possesses a deadly secret weapon, capable of catching prey faster than the blink of your eyes? You might wonder, how does this tiny creature become one of the most feared predators in the animal kingdom? Join me as we uncover the surprising truth about nature's smallest assassin, the tiny frog, and explore what makes this little creature a killing machine. Let's start with their eyes. Ever notice how frogs have these huge round eyes on the tops of their heads? That's no accident. Frogs can see nearly 360 degrees around them without moving a muscle. It's like they have their own built-in radar system, allowing them to spot any unsuspecting insect nearby. When a fly enters their field of vision, their sharp eyesight kicks in, perfectly optimized for hunting. But there's more to their eyes. Frogs don't just use them to detect prey. They play a surprising role in the actual eating process. When a frog swallows its prey, its eyes assist by pushing the food down its throat. Sounds strange, right? Frogs can actually retract their eyes into their heads to help move the meal down. So, in a way, their eyes don't just help them see their prey, they help them eat it too. Once a frog locks onto its target, it adopts a calculated wait and strike strategy. Whether it's hiding in grass or sitting on a branch, the frog masters the art of camouflage, using patience as its most potent hunting tool. They don't move much while hunting because they wait for their prey to come to them. You could compare them to snipers, lying in wait, completely still, until the target is close enough for the perfect shot. This energy-saving approach makes frogs highly efficient hunters. With their patient approach, frogs adopt a clever strategy. Let dinner come to them, eliminating the need for unnecessary chasing. We can't talk about how frogs catch their prey without mentioning their most famous weapon, the tongue. And what a weapon it is! A frog's tongue is a marvel of nature. First, it's incredibly fast. Try less than 100th of a second. That's right. Before you can even blink, a frog can launch its tongue, snatch an insect, and pull it back into its mouth. It's like the ultimate quick draw. But it's not just the speed that makes their tongue special. It's also super sticky. Frog saliva has an incredible dual property. It's runny when the tongue first hits the prey, but as soon as the frog pulls its tongue back, the saliva thickens and traps the prey like glue. Imagine trying to escape from flypaper. That's what it's like for an insect. Caught by a frog, no chance of escape. The tongue is also soft and elastic, meaning it can stretch and adapt to the shape and movement of the prey, making it nearly impossible for the insect to get away once it's been caught. When a frog spots an insect nearby, the frog sits still, waiting and watching. As soon as the prey comes close, the frog springs into action. It flicks out its tongue with pinpoint accuracy, almost like a rubber band snapping forward. The prey, completely unaware of what just happened, is stuck to the frog's tongue and pulled back into its mouth in an instant. And here's the thing, this process happens so fast that if you blink, you might miss it. Frogs have evolved to perfect this hunting technique over millions of years, making them some of the fastest and most precise predators in the animal kingdom. Frogs play a vital role in the ecosystem, acting as both hunters and prey. By controlling insect populations, they help prevent pests like flies and mosquitoes from spiraling out of control. At the same time, they serve as a crucial food source for birds, snakes, and other animals, maintaining the ecosystem's delicate balance. Without frogs, insect populations could flood, leading to terrible consequences. Imagine a world overrun by insects, a scenario we definitely don't want. So, the next time you see a frog sitting quietly by a pond, remember it's not just chilling out. It's probably waiting for its next meal, ready to strike with incredible precision and speed. With their all-seeing eyes, super sticky tongues, and patient nature, frogs are some of the most fascinating hunters in the animal kingdom. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible wildlife stories. Until next time, keep exploring